Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too can be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. Do not miss out. Also, do not miss out on the $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win the $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, let's get started. Welcome back, my gambling apes. Just yesterday, I dropped a video on the price increase, and I got to drop another video on the price increasing again. And before I drop this video, I'm going to get right here. This was 926. So before I dropped the video, I was checking the Discord because I got some updates, and I got a lot of new subscribers that I just want to bring up to date. And you know what? This is basically a breakout what's happening. And I cover a lot of cryptocurrencies, coins or tokens or whatnot, and especially NFTs. Been with the Gambling Apes since day one. So I just want to show you guys how these diamond hands are paying off right now and how the prices has switched. Now each ape is going for $4,000. You know what that means? It's over from here on out. It's not coming down. You see this? This is a breakout right here. This little channel right here, this is, you see all these times we tapped right here, we tapped right here, we tapped right here. Everything has a chart. Even your everyday life has a chart that you can really, like a chess player, analyze things and position yourself and position your pieces correctly. Your pieces being the tokens that you have, and the board being your portfolio. So the board is your portfolio, and the pieces on the board are all the tokens and things that you have invested in. Right now we have a breakout, and it's a massive breakout because we got big news. The news is December 17th, the casino's open. It's a wrap. It is a wrap. Right now these apes are going for, look at this one, just went for 5 racks. An Ethereum, and he's cool too. Let me know down in the comments if, man, that ape is looking fly. That was a good pick right there. The purple body with the shirt, the tongue out, the hat back, the teardrop, that's all proper right there. He got the little chain. So this is how you check the rarities too. So just come check this out. And he has the shirt right here, which is fly. It's only 1% of these apes have this shirt, which is very fly. I haven't even seen the shirt, so that's pretty cool. Let's go back to the front of the page. We're going to see, so this is the floor price. You would click right here on the floor price and see which ones are going right now. So the floor price, the cheapest one right now, as you can see, is $4,000. So if you would have been subscribed, you would have had that bell notification, you'd have been paying attention from a while back. If you're new, make sure you got it lit up right now. Also, don't miss out on the money bag alerts, because you would have knew about the Gambling Apes a while back. You would have been tapped in. These money bag alerts are serious. Look at this. This is, since 3 days ago, this is a $2,000 increase in the price. Your gas fees would have been covered. Everything would have been covered. And to top it off, you would have been in the green if this is something that, if you like flipping NFTs or whatnot like that. I'm in the Gambling Apes for the long run, because I know the passive income from these casinos are going to be crazy. They're opening 2 casinos. Let's get to the Discord right now while these prices continue to rise right now, because they were 934 when we first started, so they're 935. It's happening right now. Congratulations, those who've been holding. We're doing it right now. So we're going to go to the Discord real quick. I want to show you guys some of these things. It's launching. It's happening right now. Come to the Discord. I'm going to drop the video in here as well. Come over here. Make sure you guys light all this up for me. Come over here. Let them know. If you got a Discord, let them know Crypto Rico sent you over. Let them know a fellow ape said what's up. And we're making noise right now. We're legit making noise. I'm going to click on these pictures. I'm going to make sure I got this all set up. All right. So this is going to be the welcome to the Max Bet Club. And they had a teaser video yesterday. It's not up no more. I wish I would have saved it somehow or something, so I would have showed you guys of how it looked. Maybe somebody can find that teaser video and we can get it out there. If somebody can send it to me, I'll post it up, of the actual casino and how it's going to start to look, the structure and whatnot, the blueprint of it. And it's coming together pretty fast. So this is pretty cool. We have this right here. This is my earnings. So these are going to be your earnings, your lifetime earnings this month and for the year. I'm not letting go of my ape for nothing. You can't even, there's no way you're going to get me out of my ape. There's no way. Absolutely no way. All right. So we got the merch stores connected. That's going to be big. That was smart right there. The hoodies, the shirts, I'm definitely going to get aped out. I'm not going to play around. I'm rocking the apes hard. This is a game changer. Those who maybe got wrecked in other things, those who haven't had that play that really knocked it out the park, those who bought NFTs that were not doing nothing, if you're holding one of these apes, it's gonna happen. Just hold tight. Just hold tight, because this is really gonna happen. We got the Las Vegas party. I was there. That was awesome. Yeah, this is for the Las Vegas party. That was awesome. Shout out to everybody that went to the Vegas party, saw the fight and everything like that too. I think it was UFC 266. So come over here, show them some love. I'm just gonna be doing price updates. I do price updates on everything else, and there's no way that I'm not gonna do no price updates on these apes when they're changing this fast right now. So let's see what else we got. And the price just increased again. So I just wanted to refresh your page just if that's what's happening right now. And you guys can just set it in stone right now. The breakout is happening. Our apes are going to be going for over an ETH. I'm pumped up. That's more than $4,000 each ape. Holla at me if you like it. So, and if you don't, I don't know what to tell you, but I'm pretty pumped up. So you guys know what's coming. Continue to come back. Experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time. Later.